Hi, this is Kori from La Vie en Orange, and today, in the spirit of New Year's resolutions and staying organized in 2012, I wanted to share with you the organization system and the project management system that I use both for my creative business and also at the office where I'm a fundraiser for a nonprofit. This is a project management system that I learned from Jeremy Lightsmith. He is a professional trainer and coach and facilitator, and so its methods are tried and true, not only in my personal life, but apparently I think it's called Agile Planning is the official name, and it's something that a lot of tech companies use, but I use it personally with Sharpie and markers and tape and paper on the wall, although I think it would be easily relatable or easily usable in digital format as well. And so now I'm just gonna show you my wall a little bit and explain about the process. Alright, so this is where the magic happens. You can see I have a section for accomplished projects, a section for in progress projects, a section for ongoing projects, a section for things that are pre-flight, so things that are coming up next. They're going to move to in progress very quickly. And I also have a section called the parking lot for things that I want to do and that I plan on doing, but I don't, I'm not going to do them right away, or they're not a huge priority for me right now. I also have a section for my goals. You can see that each of the projects has a couple of letters or a letter in the lower right hand corner of the card. Each card is a single project or an individual task or project that is underway or in progress for me right now. And these letters are related to the size of the project. So getting my 2011 taxes done is a medium-sized project for me. Building an elastic holder is a large-sized project for me. Building a screen print studio is an extra-large project for me. These are related to t-shirt sizes, although there are other ways to categorize things. I have heard of the gummy bear system, the 1 gummy bear, 2 gummy bear, 3 gummy bear system. And so basically you can decide, okay, I have 20 units in my week, and so I know that I can do one small, or and assign each t-shirt size a value. I know that I can do 3 medium tasks and 1 extra large task in a week, for instance. So that's a way that it's usable, just in terms of knowing that these cards do not all represent the same amount of time spent on a project. So the fun begins when I finish a project and I can move a card from in progress to accomplished. So the next thing that I'm going to be finishing personally are my 2011 taxes. They are almost done, so I'm going to be moving my taxes from in progress to accomplished, and for me it just feels so good to tangibly be moving something from my list in this way and growing my accomplished section. And so then that's when it's time for me to revisit my pre-flight and see, okay, what's coming up next for me, what's something that I have time for that I can take on right now and that is a priority. And so then I might decide, okay, I'm going to research alterations pricing. And so then I move that from pre-flight to in progress. And now I know that that's something that I'm working on, it's something that I'm accountable for. But in the same way, if I decide that, oh, I am actually going to hold off on working on this screen printing studio, that's not a priority for me anymore. I'm using the community studio and that's being successful, so I'm just going to move that back to pre-flight or even back to my parking lot because I know that it's not going to be coming up anytime soon. So that is just kind of an overview of how I manage projects both for my creative business and with my team at the office. I hope that you found it useful, helpful. I would love to hear if you adopt this form of project management for your own life and any of the things that you're working on, any of the balls that you're trying to keep in the air. And I would love too to hear if you have any tips or tricks of your own that you just can't live without. Please comment below or shoot me an email and I will look forward to hearing from you. And I'll look forward to seeing you next time as well. So thanks again. This is Kori from La Vie en Orange signing off. Bye-bye.